Have you ever pulled up to a public charging station or thought about getting a home charger, and then wondered, will this actually work with my car? It is a common moment of doubt for many electric vehicle owners. To directly answer your question, the electric vehicle charging connector that fits your car largely depends on its make, model, and the region where it was manufactured. In North America, the most common connector for Level 1 and Level 2 alternating current charging is the J177 connector. For direct current fast charging, you will typically find the Combined Charging System, or CCS, connector. For some older electric vehicles, particularly from Asian manufacturers, you might encounter the CHAdeMO connector. Newer vehicles, especially Tesla models, use the North American Charging Standard, or NACS, which is rapidly being adopted by other manufacturers. Now, why do we have all these different types? It boils down to a few key factors: power levels, historical development, and regional standardization. Level 1 and Level 2 charging, which deliver alternating current to your car, use connectors designed for that lower, consistent power flow. The J177 plug is a 5-pin connector that handles this well. Direct current fast charging, on the other hand, bypasses your car's onboard converter and sends direct current straight to the battery, allowing for much quicker charging. This higher power requires a more robust connector design, which is why the CCS connector adds 2 additional pins below the J177 part, making it compatible with both alternating current and direct current charging from a single port on your car. CHAdeMO is another direct current fast charging standard primarily used by some older Asian manufacturers. The North American Charging Standard, NACS, was developed by Tesla and combines both alternating current and direct current charging into one sleek, compact connector, reducing the need for separate ports. Different countries and continents also developed their own standards over time, though J177 and CCS are prevalent in North America. So, how do you figure out which one is yours? The easiest way is to simply look at your electric vehicle's charging port. The shape and pin configuration are quite distinct. You can also consult your owner's manual, which will clearly state the compatible connector types. Another quick method is to check your car's manufacturer website or a reputable electric vehicle information site, where you can usually filter by make and model to see the specifications. Here is an insider tip. While having different connectors can seem complex, the market has responded with clever solutions. For instance, many non-Tesla electric vehicles come with an adapter that allows them to use J177 chargers, and Tesla provides an adapter for its vehicles to use J177 chargers too. With the rise of the North American Charging Standard, we are also seeing more adapter options emerge, allowing a wider range of electric vehicles to access Tesla's supercharger network. This trend towards broader compatibility means more charging options for everyone. Understanding your electric vehicle's charging connector is a fundamental step in making your charging experience stress-free and efficient. Knowing whether your car uses J177 for everyday charging, CCS for faster direct current, or is part of the growing North American Charging Standard family, empowers you to confidently choose the right charging stations and home equipment. This simple knowledge ensures you are always prepared, keeping your electric vehicle powered up and ready for your next adventure.